Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video on the Forex trading. So today guys, I have a very good strategy for you that I've been testing out for quite some time, understanding market manipulation and everything. So guys, watch this video from the start to the end because this is a killer strategy guys. This is what the 1% trade with, and this is what the 99% neglect, and then they fail in the market guys. So without further ado, make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's get started with this video guys. So today guys, I'm going to be explaining to you, I've been trading GJ for like quite a long time, but this week I've been focusing more on GJ because I've been feeding off and making so much money from GJ this whole week on GU. So today guys, we're going to be looking at GJ. As you can see, I'm already up 1700, and as you can see, this is a real account. As you can see guys, it's a real account. There's no bluffing, there's no nothing. Guys, I'm using Xness, so if you want sign up with Xness, there's a link in my bio. So guys, GJ is one of the best pairs to trade, but again, for you to understand how to trade GJ, you should first of all understand market manipulation. There's so much manipulation when it comes to trading this currency pair. So first of all, what did I have on this pair? I had a pattern, So first of all, here, this would be a double top. You see, this and this. So our neckline would be around here. But again, I didn't analyze this chart from the 4-hour time frame. I just looked at it on the 4-hour time frame, and we had this small, we had this. You see, we had this. That's what we had, you see. So when you go zoom into the smaller time frame, so I'm not someone who likes trading on the smaller time frames, but there's a way markets have opened up my eyes to smaller time frames, and now I'm understanding why most people trade on smaller time frames. But I'm not advising you to trade on smaller time frames because the more money is on big time frames. So when you come to your 15 minutes time frame, this is where I saw the market. Now this is what I saw guys. I saw what we call a triple top. So this is called a triple top guys. This is a triple top. So as you can see, though it's not this triple top you guys think it's going to be where it's perfect, it's all lined up in the same way. So this is 1 2 3. This is what I had. But again guys, first of all, what I told you, whenever you're analyzing the charts, first analyze what is the trend that we are having. So this is an uptrend guys, you see, this is an uptrend market, and then what is this pattern that has formed? This pattern that has formed is a reversal pattern to the downside. But again, I don't mean it's a reversal. It means that the trend is going to reverse. Sometimes it can just be a minor reversal. So me, I took the trade because I knew it was just a minor reversal. So as long as I put my stop loss and take profit, everything is fine. So guys, this is what we had. I had this, you see. So most of the people wait for price to break out. So now this is where manipulation was guys. Most of the traders, when they see market breaking out, so this was the candle that broke out, and it was a big candle. Let me zoom in so you can see this big candle here. I think everyone jumped in for sales. But again guys, you should always know that manipulation comes in. How do you see manipulation? When you see this big move here, whenever you see this big impulsive to the downside guys, these people are going to always, the buyers are always going to push in, to try and take the market back up, you see. And then they're not just taking the market back up. Let me show you what we have guys. So there is this. Let me first remove this. So this is where price came back to. Before you go in, just jump in for sales guys. You should always be careful. Let's modify this to red like this. So guys, do you see? So this is where price came back to. You see, price came back to this level here, you see. Price came back to that level, and then again people think now price is going to drop down again. You see, price drops, you see. Again, it comes in with this big candle. Still, this is manipulation. They're just taking out people's stop losses. You see? And I've already done a video on how banks take out people's stop losses. You see? This. And then people think, okay, now price is going to drop. Look what happens again. Look what happens again, guys. market comes back again, you see. So this is all manipulation, guys. So if you're someone who is impatient with the market, if you don't have patience, you know, you are taken out. But again, this was just a double retest, guys. Look at this. This was just a double retest, you see. Retest 1, retest 2. And where is the retest happening? And where is it happening? We had this zone here. We had this zone right here, guys. You have to be able to understand the markets in all ways. You see, this is what we had there. You see, we had this zone right here, as you can see. So here was support when price breaks. Now it becomes resistance. That's why price, you see, fails to break here. Again, it fails to break here. Then this is where now you can at least go in for the sell. So guys, that's why you can even see I took my sells. You can even see my sells. I took them right there, and even I took more sells here. You see, guys, I didn't just jump in. That's why, you know, we're still floating blues. You see, so far this week I've made quite some good amount. You see. So I've told you I've been trading GJ and GU. So you see I made some money on GU and then GJ here. I'll close off some of these profits. Let's say this. I'll close off, you know, half. You let others run, because you never know what the market will bring. But again, guys, you should always learn market manipulation. You don't just jump in, guys. You don't just jump in. You understand? So this is how it looks like. You can even see. Then apart from this, guys, remember I'm someone who trades with the moving average, the 50 EMA, and then the 21 EMA. So you see even my 21 EMA is there. Of course, you see a signal that okay, price will drop, you know. You see, again, even on my RSI, you see when my RSI is below 50, it means the sellers have momentum. But again, this is just on the 15 minutes time frame. But again, you have to look at all time frames. So even you look at the 1 hour time frame, you can even see. You see, this was a clear sign that price was going to reverse. And even just, guys, seeing this on the 15 minutes time frame, even seeing this first move to the downside, you see this just showed okay, price is going to drop. You see, because even though, remember I told you guys, first of all, I want you to understand the reason why I trade in this style, because I'm a confluence trader, guys. A confluence trader is a trader who trades with many concepts. I wouldn't say strategies, concepts. So let's apply Fibonacci there. Let's apply Fibonacci, guys. So guys, this is my Fibonacci. You see, as you can see, I've added my Fibonacci. I know this may look dirty, but bear with it. Look at where price reached. I told you when price is going to reverse, or when you want to see how far will retracement happen, you just put your Fibonacci. So I use my Fibonacci whenever I see an impulsive move. So this was an impulsive move. You can see we have 3 big red candles, or bearish candles, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. You see, so I put my Fibonacci from the swing low to this excuse me. So I put my Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low when you're applying Fibonacci on a downtrend market. So you can see price comes here, rejects once, again comes back, rejects twice. You see, at the 61 level. You see, that's why now we have price dropping like water. You see, guys. But again, we already had signs. So let me move my Fibonacci, and then you see. So guys, this was a very simple way to trade. Let me even go onto my trading view and see my analysis from there, guys. And the reason why I do my analysis on the phone, because I know most of the traders they trade on their phones, and it's even easier to trade on your phone, to find trades on your phone. I know most people will say the laptops are good and everything. Yeah, laptops, everyone uses laptops, but again, not everyone works with their laptops ever, you know. So some people can't just work with their laptops because not everyone has a car. So most people just prefer to just trade on their phones. That's why I'm doing these videos on my phone, to make it clear for you traders. So don't question why I do these videos on my phone. So let's look for GJ. You see, this is GJ, guys. You see, now this was my analysis that I made on my computer, though you can see it also on my phone. This is, you know, when you make your analysis on your trading view on your computer, it just stays there, and you see. So guys, this is what we had. This is what we had. You can see very clear. You can see. You see, this was the first of all, this was the box I had where price was just in a fixed zone, ranging in a fixed zone, as you can see. And then this is what I had. So most people, when they see a box or when they see a market that is about to break out, they just wait for the breakout. They don't execute. But again, us Brazil FX, we always take advantage. So here I even applied this indicator called trend lines with Berks. Looks algo. So when I applied this, they showed me where price would break from. So you can even see where we have B and then B. So this is where price broke out from, and then price dropped. As you can see, price dropped. It came back to retested, but again, look where it retested. It just retested the trend lines, the red trend lines. You see, again, price drops. Look again, guys, comes back and respects the trend line, guys. Understand? So guys, what I'm trying to explain to you, how you can take trades with manipulation whenever we have manipulation. So you just have to look out for major key resistance levels. So this was the resistance level we had. Oh, let's say we can call this a support level here, and then decide it's a resistance, because price is going to come back and retest this zone here. You see, to take out people's stop losses, and even those guys see where you guys put your stop losses. That's why they always come back and take them out. You can even see where I put my stop loss. I put my stop loss just up here. You see, price tried taking it out, but again, it didn't really, because this was a strong zone here. That's why price rejected that, and then it came back down. Guys, this is a very simple strategy to use. This is a very simple strategy to apply. You don't have to complicate anything. All you just have to do is identify a pattern, and then in that pattern you can then start identifying support, resistance levels. You can just be identifying major key levels, and then you see how price is going to play out. Don't take trades just because you have seen, okay, this is going to break out, because most people saw this and then they're like, okay, let's jump in. Guys, I was on my computer for almost 2 hours just looking. Actually, I started analyzing this GJ for when the London session opened. That's when I started analyzing this GJ. I was with my friend, so we analyzed, we looked at it, and then and I was even telling my friend, whatever this market is going to do, I was telling him, okay, now price is going to do this, now price is going to do this, So guys, keep on practicing, keep on, pushing. Never stop trading, guys. Never stop trading. The moment you stop trading, your life will be, it will go the other way around. So guys, that has been a very good strategy, guys. Apply them, guys. If you want to be a confidence trader, be a confidence trader. Actually, most of you may think I was just explaining here, but look at the big picture when I zoom out. Look, you see? Look at the big picture when I zoom out. You see? Whenever we have this big impulsive to the upper side, when price reaches the time to reverse to the downside, it does the same thing. That's why you see, you see this big candle here, and then you see this big candle here. Then again, the reason why price is now consolidating from here, because price was already here. So there's nothing complicated, guys. And then even the reason why price looks like it's going to push up, because it has to retest on the moving average. So there's no science around here, guys. It's all about understanding markets and how markets move. But for you to understand how markets move, you have to be in the markets, guys. You have to learn. You have to be open to learning. Guys, use your phones in a good way. Stop watching TikTok. Stop wasting your time. Guys, you need to learn Forex. If you don't learn Forex the hard way, guys, I don't know. Guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out.